In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check chat history on Perplexity. If you've been researching topics or having ongoing conversations with Perplexity, knowing where to find your past chats is essential. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to review previous conversations, browse long-form exchanges, and see any files you've shared along the way, all in one organized place. Start by heading to the Perplexity website in your browser. You'll land on the home page where you can begin a new query, but for this tutorial, we're focusing on what you've already done. Your history is connected to your account, so once you're on the site, you'll be able to access your past activity from the main interface. Next, look for the History option. This is your quick timeline of interactions, typically arranged with the most recent at the top. Think of it as your running log, convenient for jumping back into something you were just working on. You'll see titles or snippets that reflect what each conversation was about. Open any entry to revisit the exchange, pick up where you left off, or review the responses and sources that were provided. If you do a lot of rapid-fire queries, this area is the fastest way to retrace your last steps without digging through everything you've ever asked. For a more structured view, head over to Threads. Threads are the full conversations grouped together, not just quick single answers. This is especially useful when you've had a multi-turn dialogue, brainstorming an outline, refining code, or comparing sources over several messages. Inside a thread, you can scroll through the entire back and forth in context, making it easier to understand how the answer evolved. It's a great way to keep your deeper research organized and review the logic behind final conclusions. Finally, check out Files. This section surfaces documents or attachments you've provided to Perplexity in your chats. If you shared a PDF, a dataset, or another reference, you'll see it listed here. It's handy for confirming what you uploaded and when, and for reconnecting that file to the conversations where it was used. If you work with sensitive material, take a moment to confirm that only the files you intend to keep are present. A quick note before we wrap. If you don't see what you expect in history, threads, or files, make sure you're on the same account you used previously and not browsing in a mode that hides past activity. With these areas, history for recent activity, threads for full conversations, and files for your uploads, you'll always know where to find what you need. That's it. You now know how to check chat history on Perplexity.